Square root of 50 plus square root of 18 upon square root of 32. How to simplify the radicals? So first of all, let's first simplify each of the radicals. Square root of 50 we can write 5 times 5 times 2 under square root, plus square root of 18 we can write 3 times 3 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. Then upon square root of 32 as 4 times 4 times 2 under square root. Now when a times b is under square root, this is also equal to square root of a times square root of b. So we can also write square root of a times square root of b as a times b under square root, and a times b under square root can be written as square root of a times square root of b. So here we can write 5 square under square root times square root of 2 plus 3 square under square root times square root of 2 upon 4 square under square root times square root of 2. Now square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when it is squared, it means 1 upon 2 in the exponent is multiplied by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. A square under square root will be equal to a. So we can cancel the square root with this square. So it is 5 times square root of 2 plus 3 times square root of 2 upon 4 times square root of 2. Now square root of 2 is common in the numerator, so we can write square root of 2. 5 times square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 equals to 5 plus 3 times square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 equals to 3 upon 4 times square root of 2. Now the square root of 2 and square root of 2 is common factor. 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So answer is 2. There is another method of solving it where we rationalize the denominator. Because you see, if you multiply and divide by the same number, it is equal to multiplying by 1. And multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. So we are not changing the number. So we can do it like this: square root of 50 plus square root of 18 upon square root of 32 times square root of 32 upon square root of 32. So square root of 32 times square root of 50 plus square root of 32 times square root of 18 upon square root of 32 square. Now we know when a under square root times b under square root, we can write it as a times b under square root. So this will be 32 times 50 under square root plus 32 times 18 under square root upon 32. 32 is 16 times 2 and 50 is 25 times 2 plus 16 times 2 times 2 times 9 under square root upon 32. Now we have square root of 16 times 2 square, that is 4 under square root, times 25 under square root plus square root of 16 times square root of 4 times square root of 9 upon 32. Square root of 16 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 25 is 5 plus 4 times 2 times 3 upon 32. So this is 8 times 5 plus 8 times 3 upon 32. Take 8 common. 5 plus 3 upon 32. 8 times 4 is 32. 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Answer is 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.